tears of joy and laughter. People shouted, let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace.
And then they found a little nook in a stable all forlorn. And in a manger, cold and dark, Mary's little boy was born.
Hark now, hear the angels sing, a king was born today.
And man will live forevermore
Because of Christmas Day, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. For a moment the world was aglow, all the bells rang out, there were tears of joy and laughter. People shouted, let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace. Oh my Lord, you sent your Son to save us. Oh my Lord, your very self you gave us. Oh my Lord, that sin may not enslave us and love may reign.